Hello guys, welcome back to another video, and today I am playing old roblox right now. As you see, I am gonna be laggy throughout the parts like I am laggy right now, I'm sorry. But anyways, wondering how I got on here? Well, I showed my friends this earlier, but you may see another video on this. But this is how you can get on old Roblox. So, I'm gonna pause my game. Just gonna go back up here. Sorry for lag again. Okay, this can be my little hideout. So, I'm right here. So, search up. It's right here on my screen, but so you go right here. Click on games. I'm just gonna exit out of my game. Okay. You want to go here. Click on it. This is the game I still play. Yep. So click play. Yep, I'll be right back. See, you end up in this game. So yep, you can. I don't think it just shows all the games, but you can't actually make friends unless you go here. This is the real one. Hold up, I'm gonna change my avatar to Roblox. Okay, so I was gonna do this one to upload an image of it as a teacher, but then I found this one, so I'm gonna do this one instead. Okay, time to upload it. This is the file. Okay, this. Okay, let's upload it. Now, there's like no animations, there's just R6. I just wore like blue legs, so it's like old, you're wearing jeans. It's like you're wearing jeans. I want my head to be a little more realistic, cause that doesn't really look like a Roblox, I guess. So I'm gonna change it to maybe a light yellow. Let's see how it goes. We'll wait on that. Okay. No, wait. No, I don't want my whole body. No! Ah! Okay, head. Okay, now let's take off all of our stuff. Wow, I can't believe stuff cost so much back in the days. Okay, there. Then for avatar, you start off with 10 ticks. This is my avatar right now. Yes. I don't feel like buying any of these. I want to go with this outfit, then either go I might go with the mouse here, so I finally made my choice. Even though there's like black on this here and pink, but I'm just gonna buy both of them in case, I guess. Oh, also this little fluffy cloud. But I need to buy my outfit I was staying for. Stats. I have 3 knockouts, wipeout 6. I don't even know that. 0. Is it 20? Okay. Okay, I don't know. I'm just setting. Oh, that's why I couldn't hear music. Okay, chickens. We currently have 10. There's 1 million tags for this one. Wow. I think I may have to go for this pack if I have that much Robux left. So yeah, let's see. So that's really how you get like old Roblox. I think there's way more games back in the days. I'm unfortunately sorry, I don't think there's a way to create a Roblox game. Like, no way. So yeah. This is what I look like. That doesn't seem that good. Oh yeah. Oh, I remember I had a stuffy named Sleepyhead, so I wore that. Well, maybe I'll just wear these. I don't know even why I got this for. Let's see if it's still on sale. Oh wow, yeah, July 2019. I got it for no reason. I never even wore it. But yeah. Let's see. Let's see what my avatar will look like. I don't know. Okay, I'm just gonna join a dang game. So yeah. Oh, let's try this game. Get it. Oh, this game. I think. I remember this game. Back 2003. Oh no, my enemy. Be right back. Well, of course it won't give you R6. I never really unlocked anything like surprising. I want to go on Disney. No, I wasted minus 100 points. They don't remember me. This slide matches with the blue meat on. Blue slide! Oh no! I'm going into the Telemon! Okay, I'm gonna. Ow! What the? What? What happened to me? Unfair. Well, anyways, bye guys.